So I'm going to start off with the James Charles palette, and I'm going to be using this light purple shade right here. And that's going to be my transition shade. I know I've been super MIA. I've just been super busy with school starting, especially with my major. Like now I have to learn a lot of medical stuff. For those of you guys that don't know, my major is nutrition, so I am taking a medical nutrition class right now, and it's a lot of work. Like I have to learn all this medical terminology that would be used in the hospital. I actually did work in the hospital before, and I did volunteer at a hospital, so I am familiar with the process. I just don't know it all from the back of my head. So I feel like my experience is going to help me definitely a lot. So that's why I haven't really been filming as much for that reason, just because I'm just so busy. It's a lot to know, but you know, it'll be worth it. Definitely worth it, not complaining. So we are going to be doing a colorful look. I really want to do like some purples and then like a bluish on the bottom. So next we're gonna darken up our crease. I think I'm gonna be using the Carity palette for that one. This matte palette. And let me see, let me just grab a brush really quick. So many freaking options. Okay, so we're just gonna be grabbing at this purple right here. I hope I pointed to the right color, but yeah, so we're gonna be using that one. Darken it up a little bit. So yeah, like I mentioned, you don't have to use the exact same stuff that I'm using. Go ahead and use whatever colors you have. Make sure you are blending it really well with your transition shade. So I'm going to focus it more on the outer. And then you can bring it in a little more. So after that, I'm going back in with the James Charles palette, and I'm grabbing that exact same purple shade that I use, the lighter purple. And that's just gonna go all over the lid right here. Well, you guys don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I actually did an extra step where I used this light pink color right here, and I just applied it in the inner, not the inner corners, well, like just the inside part of it, just to brighten it up a little more. That way it differentiates from the outside, which is darker. So I would recommend also putting on this pink color just to make it a little lighter. So now for the bottom, I'm gonna do blue. So I'm gonna use my Carity palette, and I'm gonna use, actually, let's go in with a darker, yeah, we're gonna go with a darker color first. We're gonna use the James Charles palette, and we're gonna start off with this dark blue first. This dark blue right here. Some more color. So I'm just gonna add this down here. So make sure you kind of like, don't really swipe that much, but you just kind of like want to stamp it a little bit to help prevent any so it's not like falling everywhere. So just the palette, and now I'm going to use this blue right here, and I'm going to use that to smear the darker blue. So make sure you take your time to really blend it up. I'm done with the look, and I really love how it turned out. Like, lashes definitely obviously finish everything. So I am using, these are Lashness lashes. They're the new ones, and they're called Peligrosa, And then I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics highlight. I forgot the name of it. This one, it's Balm. Not It's Balm, it's called just Balm. This is the Jaclyn Hill one. And I really like the highlighter. It works really well. So I'm wearing it right here and on my nose, and I actually did put it in my inner corners to give extra highlight. And then for my lips, I'm using this one from Kylie Cosmetics. I really love this one. I think I'm gonna order another one. This is the lipstick and lip liner. This is a new one called Girls Trip. So it does come with the lip liner. Oh, I thought I had lipstick on my teeth. It does come with the lip liner and the lipstick. The lip liner is a darker color, and the lipstick is, if you can tell, it's like the lighter color in the center. But I actually like this look more than I thought I would. So yeah, that's a good thing. So, oh, and then I did set my face with this Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte Setting Spray. I believe this is new. So yeah, that's pretty much all I did for my face. I'm gonna be heading out to a game real soon, so this should last me the whole day till the nighttime. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.